is up, guys? Today I'm playing Turbo Flight Simulator. I lost my AirPod, so I have to put my mouth close to the screen. And there's an update. There's a new airplane. Let's try it out. Okay, let's check. Let's change this into a different spot. Let's try this place. Let's try it. Looks like a perfect flight. It looks like so good. Whoa! Whoa! It exploded! It exploded! Why are these run rates are so short? It's like I can just go spin, and then this is just like the PS26. Different because it has decoys. Let's try this. This side looks. This is near the flame. So why haven't no one comment on I would do everything on play anything on Turbo Flight Simulator? Proper, I don't know. No, I have an idea. I have an idea just to save all these lives. I'm gonna fly this aircraft. See, this is what I do. I do this. That's not a Let's see if this would also survive. But first, we're gonna have to go in the ocean. Stop the engine. Probably the next update will be like new airplane or the future update. Because I've been waiting for the future update. I'm waiting for the new plane. Idea. Let's just use it on.